morning, ladies.
Morning.
Y'all look so cute.
You look cute. You're the cutest.
Stop it. So we're headed to Epcot. It's about to be 11 o'clock. Caught up on some sleep last night, much needed. And we went down to Disney Springs and had dinner at the boathouse, which was really good. Sarah and I got the scallops. They're so freaking delicious, right, Sarah?
Oh my god, yes. It's so good.
And then I got this huge sweet potato that was so delicious with the, what is it, like sweet brown butter?
Yeah.
I'm wearing my hair in space buns today, which I never do, so it's just so hot. I don't want to have to worry about my hair. And tonight is the Disney party. Are you princesses ready?
Yes. We're all gonna be princesses. It's so cute.
What princess are you gonna be, Alexis?
I'm gonna be Pocahontas.
Tinkerbell. Mm-hmm.
Tangled, bitch. And you're, which one are you?
And I'm gonna be Jasmine.
Yasmin.
And this body glitter is freaking amazing.
Oh my god, y'all, we're sparkling.
Alexis,
I never seen
I didn't put it on my arms, just my legs.
I put it everywhere.
Alexis got it from ColourPop. I'm gonna have to get this. I'm gonna have to order this right away because it's just freaking gorgeous.
Which translates to fruit.
Babe.
This one's good,
Okay. So what is this?
Club Cool in Epcot. We're trying all the different flavors of Coke around the world. The most popular Coke shots.
Ooh. So we tried this one. This one's really good. So let's see how this one is.
Okay.
I liked it.
I like this one. It's fruity. Fruity-licious. Fruity tooty. It tastes like ginger ale.
Like cough syrup?
Yeah, it does. It's not nasty.
Like syrup? Like cough syrup.
Ready to turn it over.
Yeah.
Making me burp.
Oh, I don't like this one. It's weird. Stop it.
Those were delicious. I feel like every country has like better drinks than us. They had a bunch of really good flavored drinks from a bunch of different countries. Pretty cool. Is it good?
Is it frozen? Yes.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
And it's so smooth, guys.
We just had chips and salsa at a Mexican restaurant. It was so delicious. Fresh guac, fresh chips and salsa. And now we're a little tipsy because we had, what was it, like an avocado margarita. So I had blended avocado in it.
And agave and what are these places? Blanco, tequila, and then the chili batter.
Yeah, so we're just going all around Epcot right now, and we're gonna try and like share 1 to 2 drinks between all 4 of us. So we
don't want to get wasted, man.
Yeah, we want to not black out, so we're being smart and we're just sharing drinks from each country. But so far we've only shared 3 drinks, and I feel like a little buzz already. So it's a good thing that we're doing that. Delicious. We just got this beer flight from Germany, and we like this grapefruit Hefeweizen the best. It tastes like juice. So good. The other 2 are good, but not as good as the grapefruit one.
Grapefruit one's the best. So good. I'll put it on the logo.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Shepherd's pie.
Oh, that's your shepherd's pie?
Yeah, that's it. Look at y'all's plate.
I thought that was your first starter. I thought that was your first course. You got a soup.
That's all I get.
You know, there might be a lot of meat in there.
Yeah, it's varied.
Sarah and I got fish and chips. And Alexis got a burger. Bon appetit. So we had dinner in the UK, and now we walked over to France, where the girls are getting a little dessert for themselves. But since we're so full, we're just gonna try and walk it off until we get our next treat. Oh, you look so cute. So it's about to be 7 and we're headed to Magic Kingdom. Is that
Yeah, Magic Kingdom.
Okay, got it right. And we're looking so cute. We got Tinkerbell with us. We got Pocahontas in the house and Tangled over there. So, yes, girl. And this is my Jasmine costume.
Get your man right.
Hopefully I can get some good footage before the sun goes down. Because we're gonna get candy, right? We're gonna go trick-or-treating. But we're going trick-or-treating.